Good morning, kids. Welcome to the English class. Today in our English class, we will be reading a story. Name of the story is Happy Kit. For that, in your English text come workbook, open page number 9494. First write the day and date. Today's date is 16/2.2121 and today is Tuesday. 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 C.W. classwork. So children, read the story aloud. Repeat after ma'am. KIT kit is a KID kid. This is kit and kit is a kid. HE HAS has SOME some SEEDS seeds. He has some seeds. उसके पास थोड़ा सा seeds है. KIT kit DIG digs a PIT pit. Kit digs a pit. He PUTS puts the SEEDS seeds in THE the PIT pit. He puts the seeds in the pit. तो पहले किट ने क्या किया? एक पिट डिग किया एंड सीड्स को पिट के अंदर डाल दिया. He PUTS puts MUD mud on the seeds. He puts mud on the seeds. फिर उसने क्या किया? सीड्स के ऊपर मिट्टी डाल दिया. नेक्स्ट इज THE the SEEDS seeds ARE in the PIT pit. The seeds are in the pit. सीड्स पिट के अंदर ही है. नेक्स्ट इज KIT kit PUTS puts WATER water on THE the MUD mud. Kit puts water on the mud. फिर किट ने क्या किया? मिट्टी के ऊपर पानी डाला. He PUTS puts WATER water EVERY every day every day. He puts water every day. फिर किट ने रोज पानी दिया. Any one day kit SEES sees a plant. One day किट ने क्या देखा? प्लांट को देखा उस मिट्टी के ऊपर. KIT kit is VERY very HAPPY happy NOW now. किट अभी बहुत खुश है उस प्लांट को देख के. So kids, did you like the story? Happy Kit? Lovely story, isn't it? Now we are going to solve this worksheet. Complete the sentences using the given words. So first one is KIT kit HAS has SOME some dash. Now for that we have three options: PIT pit, PLANT plant and SEEDS seeds. Now kit has some what? Let's see. Yes. Kit has some seeds, seeds. So we will write here seeds, seeds. S-E-E-D-S, seeds. Now the next one, K-I-T, kit. D-I-G-S, digs a what? Pit, plant or seeds? Now see here, yes, Kit digs a pit. So we will write here pit. Kit digs a P-I-T, pit. Now the last one, O-N-E, D-A-Y, day, one day. K-I-T, kit sees a dash. What? Pit, plant or seeds? Now see children, yes, one day Kit sees a plant, plant. So we will write here plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant, पौधा. One day Kit sees a plant. So children, how is the story? I hope you all liked it. That's all for today's class. Try to read the story at home and then complete the worksheet. Have a nice day and thank you.